Hey there! In this video, we're going to install Bootstrap with React. First things first, make sure you have npm installed because we'll need it to install Bootstrap. I'll quickly create a React app using Vite. Open up your terminal and type npm create Vite add latest. Hit enter, and when the setup wizard kicks in, we'll give our app a name. Let's call it My App and choose React without TypeScript. Next, navigate into the folder by typing cd my-app, then install all the dependencies with npm install. Alright, React is installed, nice and easy. Okay, so now let me clear the screen real quick. Now let's install Bootstrap. Let's type npm install bootstrap react-bootstrap. Why do you need both Bootstrap and React-Bootstrap? React-Bootstrap components make life easier by wrapping Bootstrap styles into React-friendly components. And Bootstrap provides the core styling. Without it, neither the btn primary class nor React components will look styled. Alright, now that Bootstrap is installed, let's open the project in VS Code. Just type code and dot. Once inside, let's close this, head over to package.json and check out the dependencies list. Here we have React Bootstrap, and above it we have Bootstrap. Now let's move on to app.jsx, and we're going to import Bootstrap like this. Type import bootstrap /dist/css/bootstrap.min.css. By importing the main CSS file at the high level, like in app.jsx, all the components in your app will automatically have access to Bootstrap styling. Now go to terminal, new terminal, and next I'm going to grab the local dev server URL from the terminal, head to the browser and paste it in. You should see that everything's set up and working. Okay, so now let's test it out. I'm going to open a new tab. And so now we can Google React Bootstrap button and click the first result, scroll down, and I'll pick a large button as an example. First, we'll copy the code to import the button component. Then head back to VS Code and paste the code into your file. And now I'm gonna go back and grab this button component, head back to VS Code and scroll down, and I'm going to paste it right here. Save the file and let's see if it works. And that's it, it's a style button ready to go. You've successfully installed and tested Bootstrap with React. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and stick around for more React tutorials. See you in the next time.